Minglawa Kamya. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I will be continue teaching you about how to say animals in Burmese, part 2. So as I mentioned before, for animals, I'm divided into different categories. So for this video, we will be studying about farm animals. Okay, so before moving on with the fathers for this video, I would like to make some spelling correction for my previous video. So in my previous video, I make a Burmese spelling in Teresen, which I forgot this Lonely Din. So yeah, so the other than that, it's okay. But I made some spelling mistakes. So okay, so today's video is we will be studying about farm animals. So farm animals, we say Chamwe Teresamya. Chamwe Teresamya. Chan means farm. Okay, Chan farm. Teresan animal. Okay, so mya means for plural. Farm animals Chamwe Teresamya. So in previous video we study pets, right? Amwe Teresan. For today's video, we will be studying about farm animals. Chamwe Teresamya. Okay, so let's start with the first animal, which is cow, right? Cow. So noa ma. Ma indicate for like female. Okay, so cow noa ma. Noa is like generally for like cow. Okay, noa ma for cow, female cow. Okay, so for male, it's like bull, right? Noa to, or in generally in Myanmar we will say nato, okay, but full form we say noa to for bull, noa to. Next one is for calf, like baby cow, so we say noa kale, kale means for baby or young, right? So calf noa kale. Okay, so let's go back. Cow noa ma or nama. Noa ma for cow. Bull noa to or nato. Calf noa kale. Okay, next one, how to say hen. Jamma. So basically it's mean female chicken, right? Hen. Jamma. And for male rooster, Jappa. For a baby chicken or like chick, Jakale. Okay, so let's go back again. Hen, Jamma, rooster, Jappa, chick, Jakale. So I hope like you notice the pattern, like how I divide into like male, female, and the baby. But in generally, if you want to say like chicken, you can just say ja. Okay. Next one, turkey. How to say turkey in Burmese? Jasin for turkey. Okay. Next one, duck. How to say duck? Wombe, or you can just say bear for duck. Okay, we won't say full form. This is full form. Wombe. Okay, or you can just say bear. We understand it's duck. Okay, duck. Next one, how to say pig? What? Okay, what? So how to say piglet? Wakale, right? Like young pig or like baby pig. Wakale for piglet. Okay, sheep. To for sheep. Okay, next one, how to say lamb? Togale for lamb. Togale. Okay, next one, goat. Say for goat. Okay, so the last one for today's video, horse. How to say horse in Burmese? Mien. Okay, so let's go back one more time and we will review. So starting with, okay, farm animals. Chamwe Teresamya. Cow noa ma or nama. Bull nato or noa to. Calf noa kale. Hen jamma. Rooster Jappa. chick Jackale Jackale turkey Jesse duck Wombat or you can just say bear pig what piglet Wakale sheep to lamb tokale goat sick horse near okay, so thank you everyone for watching my channel and like learning Burmese with me, and I hope you enjoy learning Burmese with me, and I hope you make some progress through learning Burmese journey with me. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through my email or directly message through my Instagram account. So thank you everyone again, and see you in next week. Jesu Demare Kamya. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and enjoy studying Burmese.